We all know that AI influencers can print money in the right situation. But the biggest question I get from most businesses is how can I use AI influencers in my business? Well, let's talk about it on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this is brought to you by TexasCMO.com. AI influencers are everywhere, but what happens when we put them side by side with the real thing? On one side, our AI persona. On the other side, a real person who actually uses our product. See, the AI says, this product is amazing. And then the human says, well, I actually use it. You see the difference? Technology can generate influence, but authenticity, that's human. At the end of the day, you don't need a filter. The product or service should speak for itself. Real or AI, the choice is yours. But trust, that comes from people like you. This has been your Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright. For more information, please visit www.texascmo.com.